The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. AI is rapidly changing our world, from the way we work to the way we live. At the forefront of this revolution are AI agents. These intelligent systems are poised to reshape industries and redefine our relationship with technology. Imagine a world where AI assistants manage your schedule, provide personalized healthcare recommendations, and even create stunning works of art. This is the promise of AI agents, to augment human capabilities and unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. So, what exactly are AI agents? In essence, they are autonomous systems that leverage artificial intelligence to perform tasks, learn from data, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. These systems are designed to mimic human intelligence and behavior, allowing them to perform a wide range of activities that traditionally required human effort. These agents can be as simple as a chatbot answering customer queries. Chatbots are programmed to understand and respond to human language, making them invaluable in customer service, where they can handle a multitude of inquiries simultaneously, providing quick and efficient responses, or as complex as a self-driving car navigating through traffic. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to understand their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and drive safely without human input. The key to their intelligence lies in their ability to perceive their environment, process information, and take actions that achieve specific goals. This involves a continuous loop of sensing, thinking, and acting, which allows them to adapt to new situations and improve their performance over time. Through sophisticated algorithms and machine learning models, AI agents can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and adapt their behavior to changing circumstances. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables these agents to learn from past experiences and improve their decision-making processes. This ability to learn and adapt is what makes AI agents so powerful and versatile. In various industries, AI agents are revolutionizing the way we work and live. In healthcare, for instance, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, analyze medical images, and even assist in surgeries. These applications not only enhance the accuracy of diagnoses, but also improve patient outcomes by providing timely and precise interventions. In the financial sector, AI agents are employed to analyze market trends, detect fraudulent activities, and make investment decisions. By processing large datasets and identifying patterns that are not immediately apparent to human analysts, AI can provide valuable insights and predictions that drive better financial strategies. In manufacturing, AI agents optimize production lines, manage supply chains, and ensure quality control. By automating repetitive tasks and monitoring processes in real time, AI helps increase efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain high standards of quality. AI agents are also becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From smart home devices that control lighting and temperature, to personal assistants that manage our schedules and answer our questions, AI is making our lives more convenient and connected. The potential of AI agents is vast, and as technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will transform our world. The impact of AI agents is already being felt across various sectors. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are assisting doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. Financial institutions are leveraging AI agents to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. The entertainment industry is also being transformed by AI agents, with streaming services using AI to recommend personalized content and game developers creating immersive gaming experiences powered by intelligent virtual characters. The benefits of AI agents are undeniable. They can perform tasks with remarkable speed and accuracy, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. AI agents can also operate continuously, providing 24/7 service and support. In industries like manufacturing and logistics, AI agents are optimizing supply chains, reducing waste, and improving overall efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining processes, AI agents have the potential to unlock significant economic value. Section 5. Navigating the risks, job security, and ethical considerations. However, the rise of AI agents also raises valid concerns. As AI systems become more sophisticated, there are fears of job displacement, particularly in roles that involve repetitive tasks. This is not just a futuristic scenario, it is already happening in various industries. For instance, in manufacturing, automated assembly lines are replacing human workers, and in offices, AI-driven software is taking over data entry tasks. The impact of AI on job security is a multifaceted issue. While some jobs are being eliminated, new opportunities are also emerging. The challenge lies in ensuring that the workforce is prepared for these new roles. It is crucial to address these concerns by investing in education and retraining programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses must collaborate to create a robust framework for continuous learning and skill development. Moreover, the ethical implications of AI agents cannot be ignored. As AI systems are entrusted with making decisions that impact human lives, it is essential to ensure that these systems are developed and deployed responsibly. This includes addressing issues such as bias in AI algorithms, transparency in AI decision-making processes, and accountability for AI-driven actions. Ethical AI usage is not just a technical issue, it is a societal one. It requires input from diverse stakeholders, including ethicists, technologists, policymakers, and the general public. Open dialogue and collaboration are key to developing ethical guidelines that ensure AI benefits everyone. As we navigate the complexities of AI integration into our lives, it is imperative to strike a balance between innovation and responsibility. By doing so, we can harness the potential of AI to improve our world while safeguarding the interests and well-being of all individuals. Section 6. The Dilemma of Transparency, Unveiling the AI Black Box. One of the key challenges in AI ethics is the issue of transparency. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our daily lives, understanding how these systems make decisions is increasingly important. Transparency in AI isn't just a technical issue, it's a societal one. It affects how we trust and interact with technology. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. This opacity can be problematic, especially in critical areas like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice, where decisions can have significant impacts on people's lives. The complexity of these algorithms often means that even the developers can't fully explain how specific outcomes are reached. This lack of transparency can erode trust and make it challenging to hold AI systems accountable for their actions. When users and stakeholders can't see the rationale behind AI decisions, it becomes difficult to identify and correct biases or errors. This can lead to a loss of confidence in AI technologies and hinder their adoption. Efforts are underway to develop more transparent and explainable AI systems, allowing humans to understand the reasoning behind AI-driven decisions. Researchers are focusing on creating models that not only perform well but also provide insights into their decision-making processes. Explainable AI aims to bridge the gap between complex algorithms and human understanding. This transparency is crucial for building trust and ensuring that AI agents are used ethically and responsibly. By making AI systems more understandable, we can foster greater collaboration between humans and machines. This not only enhances the effectiveness of AI, but also ensures that its deployment aligns with our ethical standards and societal values. The journey towards transparent AI is ongoing, but it is a necessary step for the future of technology. Section 7. Shaping the Future Trends in AI Agent Development. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and the future of AI agents is filled with exciting possibilities. One promising area of development is in the realm of artificial general intelligence, where AI agents would possess human-like cognitive abilities. Other trends include the development of more personalized and context-aware AI agents, capable of understanding and responding to human emotions and intentions. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and capable AI agents emerging in the years to come. Section 8. Balancing Innovation and Regulation, a Delicate Dance. The rapid pace of AI development necessitates a delicate balance between fostering innovation and implementing appropriate regulations. While it is essential to encourage the development of beneficial AI technologies, it is equally crucial to establish ethical guidelines and safety standards to mitigate potential risks. Governments, industry leaders, and researchers must work together to create a regulatory framework that promotes responsible AI development while fostering an environment that encourages innovation and technological advancement. Section 9. Embracing the AI Revolution, a future shaped by intelligent agents. The rise of AI agents marks a profound shift in our technological landscape. These intelligent systems have the potential to revolutionize industries, enhance our lives, and reshape our world in ways we are only beginning to imagine. By embracing the power of AI while addressing the ethical considerations and potential risks, we can harness the transformative potential of AI agents to create a brighter and more technologically advanced future for all.